Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to either find the Google section, because if you want to, you can add and manage your Google account here, or you can tap on additional settings and here enter the accounts and sync. It's up to you. To be honest, I simply prefer this option, so let me do everything right here. So let's start with adding another account. So let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and you will have to enter your password to confirm everything. Right here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree. Okay. Now we can tap on this Google section, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. So let me do it with this one also. Sometimes you will have to confirm everything with your pen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.